Hello, my friends, and welcome back to the C++ series. Let's talk about else-if statements. Else-if statements allows you to check a second condition if your first condition is false. We got if the first expression with the first statement to be executed, then we got else-if with a second expression to be checked and the statement, and finally the else. Let's go to code. Let's try the same code we're using for this tutorial. To use the else if, we just simply, after the else, we just simply put an if keyword with a condition inside. Now, we're gonna try also, the last one is remember the else, but in this case, we're gonna define a number as 10, okay? This is our variable, an integer. Now, we're going to check if x is greater than, for example, 10, the first condition, if this is true, in this case, let's put like 6 here. In this case, true is going to execute. So we're going to say, instead of positive number, we're going to say is greater, okay, than C, because it's fulfilling this. Fine. Now, the second case, we have the if keyword, and we just simply gonna say if x is greater than 6, okay, which is false. We're gonna execute and say that x is greater than 6, but less than 10. Because if this condition is not fulfilled, it's gonna run this, and of course it's not going to be greater than 10. Okay, and finally we're going to check all the possibilities, and our program is gonna be smart enough to run based on which is true or false, in this case, to run the code, the block code. Now, let's say, let's copy this. Okay, in this case, we're going to say x is 6 or less. Okay, the last condition, because we're testing the first condition, which is greater than 10. Okay, if this is greater than 10, we're going to execute this code. If or it is greater than 6, it's gonna execute this code, but as this is a code that is false, so it's not greater than 10. Otherwise, we're going to print that x is below this quantity. Just save it, Ctrl F5, is 6 or less. Now, let's going to change this to 16, Ctrl save, and 5 is greater than 10. Okay, and the last case, that is going to be okay, it's the same case. Now, this is a block of code, an automatic code that is going to run from up to down and fulfill if certain conditions to run. Is a very useful code to use to automate your program.